here we go, guys. We're having a great time today. A small Christmas tree, something. Okay, more nothing. All right, biker almost rear-ended on Wildcat Canyon. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Does he have a crescent wrench on his handlebars? He's got a crescent wrench keychain. That's not a bad idea. I'm sorry, everybody. Oh, sharp left turn. You saw that? 35 miles an hour recommended. Okay, we got an intersection right here. That person's not going 35. Let's go ahead and slow it down. Good position for safety, so we can see see ahead of them. But we decided to use it as more of a lane filtering thing. But that was a good position for safety because we can locate and see very far. Another sharp left turn right here. Is this the same thing? Oh, Ferris Cro-Magnon once again is in here creating more issues. I thought we were done with this guy. It's the same freaking intersection. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. No, I don't. What are we doing? What are we doing?
Well, what you did.
You're at an intersection. You should have been in orange stage. You should have been prepped and ready. You should have been covering those brakes. You should have been looking for hazards. You should have been positioning yourself for safety, adapting any of these hazards, navigating if you had to, because you're supposed to be planning your ride. Doesn't sound like you're being a very smart rider. And that's probably because you were born in the Cro-Magnon era.
You did.
Okay. New person. Here we go. High vis. Very good. Watch out for the merge issue. They merged. They moved over. That person's in the wrong way, looking the wrong way. Whatever. All right, I'm starting to lose my mind. All right. Let's put the music on.